Hello everyone, welcome to NewsFlick.ai once again. It's an intelligent platform, and in today's video I'll try to cover how exactly you can connect the Telegram account with NewsFlick account so that you can get the news feed comfortably on your Telegram easily instead of you have to get it login, and you can get the feed directly on your Telegram every day on your scheduled time. So how exactly you can achieve that, I will try to get explain you in this video. So what you're supposed to do, you simply have two things in your hand. One thing, like you have a NewsFlick account which you can register it, and you can get that, but the Telegram feature is available only in professional and executive plan. To go it further with that, in free plan we are not providing the integration of the Telegram. We are not providing, so you're not getting the feed on Telegram if you have a free account. So free plan it is not supporting with that. But if you have a professional executive plan, then you can go ahead further with that. So you simply have to click on login. I'm going with the account which is already having a professional plan activated, so I'm going with that. You simply have to select any option. So I'm going with login with SSO. When you click on it, now you have to click on continue with Google. Over here itself, I have to select one account. So I'm selecting a NewsFlick 07. When I clicked on it, then you can see I simply have to click on continue. And in fraction of seconds, I'll go inside of the account directly. So it's loading. And now in few seconds, you can see the whole setup will be get it loaded. Now the news and everything to be get it fetch out from multiple sources itself as per our customized category what we have selected. So now once it's get completed, and we simply have to go to the review section. I'll just wait for it to get it load. So this is a first glance of it. You can see like how exactly a professional plan looks like. That type of information you will get it. I'll cover these things in later video itself. I'm not covering that thing as this is purely we video for connecting how exactly you can integrate the Telegram account with NewsFlick. So you simply have to go to delivery sections. Now over here itself, you simply have to click on Telegram. Once you click on it, so you can see all these things over here itself. Okay, even these things is get it loaded. Okay, as I have already selected the category earlier, that was the reason I'm using the same account. So if you have not selected, then in that case this will be a blank for you. So what you have to do, you simply have to go to this section, connect Telegram to NewsFlick. You have to click on link Telegram. Once you click on it, in fraction of seconds, you can see the code will be generated for you. Now you have to copy this code. Once you copy it, okay, it's copied only. Now what you have to do, you have to go to step number 3. You simply have to click on open Telegram web. Once you click on it, you can see this on your screen. And as I have already killed the session of Telegram, so this is the first time you can see. If you have already configured on your browser the Telegram, then in that case definitely a Telegram account will be get it loaded, and you have the option to paste it. In my case, I have not do that. I have already removed the access of it so that I have to show you the complete scratch one. So what you have to do, you simply have to scan your account. I did that. So once it's get it connected, so it's automatically going to it. We have to just wait for a few minutes, and it's automatically go inside of it. So as we can see over here itself, just leave that thing. I'll forget to delete the chat. That's the reason behind it. You can see the older one. So what we have to do, we have to click on this once again, open Telegram web, and this will open this section for you. You simply have to click on start. So leave it. Once you have scanned the QR code, you just landed on this page where you have to click on start. Once you click on start, now the code what you have copied in step number 2, you simply have to go to this section. You have in the chat section, you have simply have to paste this. Once you click on send, in fraction of seconds you can get the response, Telegram link successfully. And now just few fraction of seconds you have to wait for it, and automatically you can see the status as Telegram is connected. Now once the Telegram is connected, now what you have these sections over here itself. Now you can configure it. Take example, whatever the type of style you just want to pick, you can pick that, and accordingly a language also. Just right now we have provided English and Hindi, but English is more preferable for you itself just to get that feed. I have selected a Singapore, or you can select India also. So let me select India, English, and that's sorted. Even a time zone, we have only one time zone. That's the reason. What is the time right now in India? It's 11:30 p.m. So let me configure this for 11:33, and this is p.m. Okay, and now what we have to do, we simply have to select the category. I'm not changing the category right now. You can select it if you want to change it. So first time these are completely blank, as I have selected earlier. That was the reason I'm getting these options. Otherwise you will see it as a blank. You have to select that, and 5 categories are allowed for you. 5 you can select. Once you select that, you simply have to click on save settings. Once you click on it, this section is completed and this is completely locked. So now this will be locked for next 7 days. You can't change the categories once again. Okay. And now what we have to see, we can see like the preview also be over here itself. As per the category what you have selected, the previews will be get it reflected automatically. And now as we have selected a time as 11:33, so we can see we are getting that news feed now. So this is a type of news feed we are getting it from the NewsFlick. So this is the actual news. Now short brief also be mentioned over here itself, source details, impact also be, potential impact also be mentioned over there. So category be also provided to you. So this is a top 10 news you will supposed to get it from NewsFlick. With that source also, if you want to read the whole article where exactly we are taking this news, then in that case we are providing the link also, so that you can go ahead directly and you can visit to the actual URL and read the whole content. If you want to read it over here itself, that's also you can do it. So even in couple of cases we are including the screenshots and even the images also. So that's all about the news which we are just trying, and this is the integration how exactly you are getting it on your Telegram account every day. So once you have integrated your account with Telegram, then in that case, every day on scheduled time, you will get that news feed across the world of top 10 trending news of the same category what you have selected. You will get that news on your Telegram account directly. So that's all about the stuff which I just want to get it covered in this video itself. If you have any doubt at the time when you have purchased the professional plan, and at the time if you try to get it connected, if you're facing any issue, let us know about it. Even we have the support section also available on our website where you can place your request, and accordingly we'll troubleshoot, and the support team can troubleshoot and help you on it how exactly we can solve the problem. So that it's all about the things which I just want to get covered in this video. It's a small video, but still it's consume almost 8 minutes, as I want to explain you the whole setup about it. It's not only the plugin, I want to explain the whole setup. That's the reason behind it take almost 8 minutes. So thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye. And you should connect and try experiencing NewsFlick. We have given a lot of effort for the free plan, even for the professional executive plan itself. Just start with free plan. Once you feel like everything is appropriate and you feel like the effort, the content which we are providing is up to the mark, then you can go ahead for the paid plan. But at least you have to get it connected for and start with a free plan. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.